Hello. William, are you there?
Yes.
Sorry about this. It's an unscheduled thing. I just wasn't expecting
Yeah.
it to be like this. So I'll just wait. We'll just.
Well, 'cause I imagine you're having a power outage. The internet probably has intermittent connectivity as well.
Right, and there's just one tiny little shop here, that's got Wi-Fi, and the rest of the city is out.
No. Oh, shoot.
So
No,
anyway.
I'm surprised you have connectivity at all.
I know it's amazing. So I'll just tell you. Maybe we can just chat while I don't know what's happened with Willem's connection, but maybe we can just take a few minutes that are here, just to chat a little bit about. I was quite interested in the whole idea of. There's been a lot of talk about what is awareness as versus, because I remember we had a whole long conversation around levels of awareness versus levels of consciousness and that kind of thing, and what is the science of consciousness that you've been busy with. And you were talking, about kind of how to build a working model. And so, I've got some very vast questions in terms of, I don't know how much you want to go there.
Yeah, no, because I was looking at the questions on the email, and they were just exactly like what I've been looking into. I wish I would have had a chance to reply even in text. But I'm thinking, we'll get into it in the conversation. Yeah, 'cause, certainly you've been devoting a lot of thought, a lot of work to this conversation.
So why don't you just go ahead and say a few things about any of the questions that I put out there, and whatever is relevant to you and where you're working.
Actually, um, me and another team just sent out our first co-op paper. So since Congress some type of notice the conference is no longer the impact now. So we put together a pretty exciting presentation, very exciting. It represents actually 2+ years of collaboration. So here, he visiting me, teaching him some extensions as well, and us finding a synthesis.
Wow, exciting.
Uh, and so, uh, uh, I'm thinking, wow, 2+ years. But really, I don't think something of this nature could have came about any quicker.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
exciting, really.
yeah, yeah. Um, and uh, it's certainly framed as there's towards a physics of consciousness. Um, Certainly don't want to be so presumptuous as to say that we have we have consciousness figured out, because it certainly is, in a sense, a very uh, Well, uh, difficult topic to describe scientifically. Consciousness. However, I'll do make a few strides in this direction. Um, you know, one of the things that's coming to mind, if you look at the science makes is kind of out there still today is a particular theory by Roger Penrose and Stuart Hammer called orchestrated objective induction. It was really fantastic. It certainly was a major impetus early on in my investigation. Now, one of the things about it is that they talk about the free will of consciousness. This is one of the things that we're all an expert when it comes to consciousness, because we know that we have free will. We experience it. We make choices nearly every second of our lives. Sometimes even more. Now, one of the things to point out is that the problem with the presentation of consciousness is that it's presumed that consciousness arises from the computational action of the brain. But if it's purely computational, it's purely predetermined, and there should be no free will. Free will would be, in a sense, contradictory to a computational model of consciousness. Roger Penrose and Stuart Hammer requesting mathematics and they relied on theory. The random collapse state essentially what they did is they went to random we have free will because love nature is random. And somehow the brain utilizes the randomness to make free will. But so one of the things that I like to point out is accounting. So I support Roger Penrose in the model that the neurocomputation paradigm is not sufficient to explain consciousness. But I don't think that reliance on a misinterpretation of theory, namely a inherently random nature reality, will explain free will. I think that we have consciousness because our consciousness is continuous with the underlying dynamics of physical systems. We are, and our consciousness is, physical systems, the energetic systems of the universe. So we have free will because we are because we are the energy and matter that comprises physical systems, the consciousness. So now, leaving it at that, it's still fairly nebulous. There's still a whole lot of undefined topics about that, a lot of undefined questions, and we've really gone in and tried to detail all the connections, the links, how this
So William, can you can
the detail.
can I ask a question there?
Absolutely.
And Willem, are you there? Okay, I can't hear the sound on your side, but I'm just going to ask it on your behalf. But what's interesting in the community is there's this whole discussion around the non-duality principle around awareness, and that everything is awareness. Can you hear that? And it's that whole principle. It's very loud on your side, Willem, in the background. What I was going to say, William, is there's this idea. I don't know if you've heard of Rupert Spira. Rupert Spira is one of the people that presents on non-duality and kind of oneness, and he was talking at the non-duality conference. Anyway, so some of the concepts there that I've been interested in talking about is the idea that, okay, everything is awareness, and that within that there's no separate self. So how do we define, everything as a unified field and then still have a separate self and free will? How does a unified field come together with a separate, kind of individuated soul's journey, all of those things? How does that fit into the model?
Are you asking Wilhelm?
No, you. I'm asking you, William.
Okay. I'm wondering, am I coming through clear? Because it cut out most of what you said.
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, go, Willem.
Yes, Amanda, I heard what you said, but it does seem like this is a fabulous conversation, and maybe we should set up ideas of it. It's so good. So, but anyway, maybe we should carry on in a way now. William, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes, yeah.
Yes, no, just that there's several masters, teachers that say that we are as one, not merging, not doing the journey of realizing who we are in reality, ultimately awareness, free will, or getting another picture. It may seem that we have free will, but ultimately the bigger all-knowing awareness is what's making things happen, and not really the individual choice. Individual choice all ultimately fits into the bigger, and it doesn't matter if you choose left or right, you still end up where the bigger picture wants to be.
So, William, do you want to comment on that at all? Oh, just lost the signal on that side. I mean, yeah, I don't know if we should. William, are you there? Just waiting for William to come on again.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we can go back to our age. We can get back to
Yeah, it's very loud, hey?
yeah, there's too many things, but it's not fine.
So just hang on, William. Let's just hang on a second.
Like if we could place a better service on service.
Yeah, so William's just writing to me to say it would be better to set it up at a better time, at another time.
Yeah.
So these conversations are fabulous, and I think we should pick it up when we've got a better connection. Um, okay.